civic education. Please lead in your counties. Go and find out about the budgets, the money coming to your counties. I mean, we have governors who are stealing money left, right, and center, becoming overnight billionaires. But we don't have people sensitized enough at the level, at the county level, to hold them accountable. So we'd like to see our youth leagues, when you're out there, playing a big role in holding these people accountable. I remember in the 10th Parliament, I had brought an amendment to the Procurement Act to allow for 25% public procurement for the youth of this country. That is what became Agupo later on. And Uhuru allowed it to go up to 30%. Do you know you don't need these tokens that you are getting from Kasongo? If we were able to get all the counties ensuring that all the procurement there is not given to their wives, their relatives, and girlfriends, you can help us actually hold those governors accountable. And these opportunities are what can actually turn the young people from becoming job seekers to job creators, doing actual business, putting real money in your pockets, and that accountability is one of the issues we would like to champion as the new coalition that will bring change in this country. So let me ask His Excellency to come and greet you. And I know it's lunchtime, and he came just in time for lunch. And I think after this we'll have lunch with him before we leave. Your Excellency, Karim.
Very good afternoon. It's your lunch. So I want to thank our friends from Conrad, who is the representative. Thank you so much. You are true friends and partners. I suspect they're the ones paying for the lunch. My friends have spoken. It's so nice to catch up with Eugene. Always very eloquent in presentation. I want to thank our guy who really presented the challenge. So happy. I think we should give us the clip shots of that presentation so we can go and internalize and really reflect. I know that Eugene didn't come. I think he was doing stuff also about Very North. He told me. Our sister mother was here. And Justin Muturi, just in time. I like that. So, niseme nini ila tu kwa shukuru. You are young. The future belongs to you. But leadership should begin now. Ile tulikuwa tunasema nyinyi ni viongozi wa kesho. That is now some old adage. The youths everywhere. And this, as I was coming in, I don't know how many of you have realized that additional to the revolt in Madagascar, there is now an ongoing revolt in Morocco, led by Gen Zs. Yes. In Morocco. Yeah. And so you see how our Gen Zs have inspired the whole world, not just the continent. And they cannot believe what is going on. They have already shot dead 3 people in Morocco. The thing is across Morocco completely. They thought that people started carrying Palestinian flags. They thought, these young people talk about Palestinian-Israeli war. Then overnight it turned to, we want good governance. We want our country back. So you guys have a lot of work to do. We are there to work with you. And I want to agree absolutely with the comments and sentiments my brother Eugene has made. And because he's the only one listened to, I don't know what Justin said. Mother was here. I agree completely, absolutely, that you can talk of a ballot coup. Because that's what this country needs. But we cannot have that coup if people don't register. He sends some kind of lackluster approach to the whole thing. Yesterday we were on a trail to Kitui through Machakos, and we could see that people want this change. But as we drove at a place called Katangi, I asked, where is the voter registration place happening? I was told, if you know that geography, Katangi is part of Machakos County, but within Yatta constituency. From Katangi to Kilimani, which is a constituency headquarters, is almost 60 kilometers. Now you don't expect somebody atoke hapo aende kwa mguu akachukue hiyo kura. So one of the things we should do is to demand decentralization to the ward level. Watu wajaribu kutokeze. But I think the mobilization by the agencies and all of you guys is also important. You know, somebody should start that conversation. Just start it. Say, you are not going to have my lunch and you are my friend if you are not registered. Between yourselves. Yeah? I'm not going to take you to lunch. And you know what? That other trip we're going to have, even dowry payment, these days are everything. Dowry. Peleke nikalipe, nikaone wazazi, nikalipe dowry. Okay? Sema hiyo, bila kuonyesha wewe you have a voter's card. Tafadhali hatuendi. Right? So this has to be a very critical thing. And if we do that, then you get your 3 million. Was it 3 million? Yes. Why are you not targeting the whole thing as, what's the difference again between 3 million, 4 million, and 6 million?
6.3 is 100%. 6.4 is 70%. We're targeting 70% of the youth register.
Oh, at least it was minimum 3 million.
Yes.
Yeah, but it can even go more, I'm telling you. If you take into account what Eugene was saying about Form 3 kids and Form 4s, hey, I think you can hit your figure. Let's surprise IEBC and surprise everybody. I'm wearing a tie because these days we